This specific Waka Waka EA profile has got a gain of over 8,000% in just over 5 years. It's a real account. The track record is verified. Trading privileges are verified. The overall graph is looking absolutely phenomenal. Here's the trading history. This is really something we need to have a look at because this is really looking good. And I want you to pay attention and watch this entire video right up until the end. Well, hi there my friend, Errol Mueller here, and welcome to another video. In this specific video, we will be doing the Waka Waka EA review. Now, very important that you stay tuned and you watch this video right up until the end and you do not miss anything that I'm about to share within this video, because within this video, I'm going to delve into as much detail as I possibly can based on this MyFxbook profile, the Waka Waka EA profile, and share with you some phenomenal results. Now, who am I? My name is Errol Mueller. I've been doing forex trading for about 9 years now. I started by doing my own forex trading manually, etc. I used to even sell my own forex trading course. Then I moved over to forex trading robots. Long story short, I stopped trading forex trading robots, not because it's a bad thing, but because I moved over more towards copy trading, PAM trading, and investing in other traders, trading my money on my behalf. Obviously, with a lot of research behind them, then I know which ones to invest into. It just frees up most of my time or more of my time in order to venture into other avenues. That's just a long story short, but a bit of my history, 9 years worth of trading history. So on your screen right now is a disclaimer. Please pause this video, take some time, read that disclaimer, and let's continue along. Now, I've got nothing against the owners or developers of these forex trading robots. I'm just providing you with my honest opinion. If I were to purchase a robot, for instance, like the Waka Waka EA, things that I would look for. And in this case, I want to share with you things that I would look for in order to help you make an informed decision. Now, if you haven't seen my previous video that I uploaded, on the top right hand side will be another video I uploaded by Valerie Trading. I think it's the golden pickaxe. You're more than welcome to watch that review as well. The notification should be popping up. Okay, so why should you watch this video? Firstly, I'm going to delve into as much detail as I possibly can, and we're going to open up this profile, of which I've already actually opened up the MyFxbook profile. I'm going to share some things with you that you need to pay attention to before you make your purchasing decision. We're going to talk about forex trading robots, forex trading brokers. We're going to talk about forex VPS services, and then let me quickly share with you, if you are interested in purchasing the Waka Waka EA, where you can get hold of the EA. Stay tuned, because we're still going to delve into all of this, all of these detail. I'm going to share with you exactly what you need to pay attention to. So where can you get hold of the Waka Waka EA? In the description, the first link that you see within the description, you can click that link, or I will share a second link in the description that will immediately take you over to this page right here for the Waka Waka EA. Now, you can download and get a trial period to use the Waka Waka EA for 14 days before you decide to make the purchase. That is good value. So either one of the two links. If you click on the first link, it will bring you over to this specific page. Now, why am I sharing this with you? I am the owner and founder of this business, of this hub, Empire Digest. And in actual fact, it all started with passive income for me. I started generating passive income. And when I started generating passive income, I then decided to venture into things like forex trading, more towards investing and having the funds to do what I need to do and what I want to do, and creating multiple sources of income, investing in different forex trading robots, etc. Now more into forex trading or PAM trading and copy trading, and investing in other traders. So if you are interested in building passive income, whereby you can then use that money to do whatever you want to do check out the first link in the description below this video, which will bring you over to this page. Now, where can you also get hold of Waka Waka EA besides the other link? Is you can scroll all the way to the bottom. You can click on the Forex tab. I'm going to share with you quickly. Once on the Forex tab, it will look like this. You can scroll down. You can click on this link that says Forex Trading Robots, learn more. and it will open up numerous other forex trading robots for you to have a look at. And I've done reviews based on about 90% of these forex trading robots on my YouTube channel. So if you haven't done it yet, please give this video a thumbs up, give it a like, and subscribe, because this will help this video to rank as high as possible, as quickly as possible within the search engines, to help more individuals like yourself watching this video to make an informed decision. It's very important for me that I help people make informed decisions. Okay, so on this page, you can scroll down to this one where it says Valerie Trading, industry leading expert advisors. You can click the Access Now button. It will bring you over to this page, and then you can hover over expert advisors and you can see different expert advisors. So that is just the second way, or second way for you to get access to the Waka Waka EA. Now, let's go back to the EA and let's delve right into the analysis and the statistics. First thing is first, what do you need to pay attention to? It's going to be the custom analysis. Don't leave this video, watch this video till the end, because we still have to talk about Forex VPS services, which are extremely important when it comes to Forex trading robots, and we're also going to talk about Forex brokers. Okay, so the custom analysis, if it's not set, that's a good thing. It means that they are not hiding any trading data from you. So in this case, if it was set, that it will bring up a notification here. MyFxbook would bring up a notification to say that your custom analysis is hidden, or there is a custom analysis set, meaning they are only showing you a certain period of trading data. I'm not currently signed into MyFxbook, but if you watch any one of my previous videos, you will see that 99% of the time I am signed into MyFxbook. But in this case, I do not need to be signed in, because the only way for you to change the custom analysis is if the custom analysis was set, you have to have a MyFxbook account in order to, and you have to be signed in order to change the custom analysis. Now, if you click on custom analysis, you will see that you can actually set the trading data that you want. You can select all, you can select the pairs. In this case, I would select all pairs, and then what I would do is I would select analyze, and it would analyze from the beginning of the trading. As soon as this profile was registered with a broker, it will pull up all the data. Okay, so that's just a tip from me to you. Next thing to have a look at is the track record. It is verified, the trading privileges are verified, and it is a live update. What you can do is you can scroll down to the bottom where it says updated, and then you can click the live button and it will actually update live. In this case, it is currently updating live. Okay, so the overall gain, since inception, or since this profile, or basically this robot started trading with the broker, it's had a gain of 8,000%. And if you look at the absolute gain, this takes withdrawals into mind. It's sitting at 2,244%. So over 8,000% gain. And if we scroll all the way to the bottom, you will actually see that it's just over 5 years. So back in the year 2018, it started in June, and it is now 2024, the month of March. So it is about 5 years and 3 months with a gain of over 8,000%. That is actually absolutely phenomenal. If you click on the general tab, you will see that they already share with you, when you decide to open an account with a broker, the leverage that they use with this robot is 1 to 300. It is a real account, so they are literally putting their money where their mouth is. And then the starting date, this robot started trading the 4th of June, the year 2018, and it was added to MyFxbook May 6, 2021. So we are going to work as from June 04, not the day it was added. The date was added doesn't really matter to me. Okay, and then next, just going back to the statistics, the daily gain is about 0.2%. The monthly average gain is sitting at 6.48%. So what does that mean? Think of compound interest. Think of your investments, whatever resources you might be using to grow your money for you. Just think of how much money are you getting per month? What percentage are you getting per month? Or are you getting your percentages per year, per annum, yearly? If so, compare it to, and then start thinking, if you had to have an investment gain of 6.48% average monthly gain compounded, then you would start seeing the power of forex trading robots. And in order to kind of, I would not say eliminate risk, but to lower your risk, think of having multiple sources of income, having five different forex trading robots, all trading for you, different trading styles, different pairs, because what you are doing is you're just lowering and basically spreading your risk, because you don't want to put all of your money, everything into just one forex trading robot. And if something happens to that forex trading robot, of which anything can happen, forex trading is still a high risk type of, call it as an example, investment. It's still a high risk investment, and anything can happen. Then you've lost all of your money, everything, because you've put all of it into one forex robot. But if you had 5 going for you, then you're kind of spreading your risk. Hopefully that makes sense. Okay, so next it's got a drawdown of about 32%. So I'm jumping back and forth a little. So hovering over the drawdown tab, you will see that they had just over 20% this year, just over 20% this year, just over 20% this year, just over 20% this year. And at the time of us shooting this video, which is around March, these dates, I can't go over to the latest date, but we are close nearby the date, and the drawdown is at 2%. That is low, extremely low. So the lower the drawdown, the lower the risk. What does drawdown mean? It means if you were to close all of your current trades at that point in time, or if you had one trade going for you, you are willing to risk about 32.38% at the time of me shooting this video. So the lower the drawdown, the better. In this case, the drawdown percentage will be affected based on when the robot started trading. If you had high drawdowns at the beginning, but over the years you've lowered your risk and you managed to bring down the drawdown to 5%, 2%, whatever the percentage might be, unfortunately, this percentage takes all the trading history into play. So even if you've lowered the drawdown, it still takes everything into account. So this drawdown percentage for me is accurate, but also not accurate, because I want to look at the latest data. As you can see, they've actually lowered the risk, because look at all these drawdowns, and then it started going down, 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 lowering, lowering, lowering. So you can see that they that Valerie, whoever the developer is or the owner is of this forex trading robot, have actually started lowering the risk. And I've noticed that, because I will share with you just now in a second how I've noticed it and how I picked it up. Okay, so next, the balance currently is sitting at $7,300. I'm not worried about the rest of it. The deposits currently, they've made, if you look at the deposits, they've made deposits of $500 in total. Total with deposits made is $500. The withdrawals that they've made is 4,300 withdrawals that they've made, and the current balance of the account is sitting at $7,300. So imagine, think, what if you were to make a $500 investment just over 5 years ago? You've made withdrawals of over $4,300. Your current balance is sitting at $7,300. So the absolute gain, or the total gain that you've had, is over $8,100%, just over 5 years. That is crazy. That is extremely good results. Okay. Next, what I see MyFxbook has done is they've updated their platform, whereby it's got these 3 dots now. So these dots are to show you this specific date they've made a withdrawal, this specific date they've made a withdrawal, and this specific date they've made a withdrawal, all adding up to the withdrawal amount right here. And I like that. It never used to show that. Now it does show it. So I actually love it. It's great. It just makes these reviews much more informed, much more information for you watching this video to make that informed decision. If you click on the balance tab, you can actually see, look, the account grew, they made a withdrawal. The account grew, they made a withdrawal. The account grew, they made a withdrawal. And then they've left it ever since to continue to grow. Look at it. It shows you withdrawal, withdrawal, withdrawal. That is great. I love it. Just as a bit of extra information to you. Okay, next, how do you determine what pairs they are trading? So you could have used the custom analysis to see that they are trading 3 pairs, closing that down. Or what you can do is you can scroll down and you head over to summary. You can click on summary. Then you will see they trade 3 pairs: AUD USD, AUD NZD, NZD CAD. Those are the three pairs that are trading. And if you want to siphon by profit, you can do that, or filter by profit. You can see that AUD CAD performed the best, NZD CAD performed second best, and third best was the AUD NZD. Now, what they are doing is you can put all of your money, if you want to, into just one pair, AUD CAD, and decide to trade only AUD CAD if you want to. But in this case, having three pairs trading for them, they are just spreading their risk. Not bad at all. Then you get correlated pairs and non-correlated pairs. If you don't know what correlated pairs or non-correlated pairs are, you're more than welcome to Google it. That's a different video for a different time. I don't want to dive into those details. Next, you can currently see that they've got open trades, 13 open trades. In this case, all of them are currently, or one of them is in a profit, the rest are all in a loss. Not to worry. I can see that there is a bit of a drawdown happening right here, because you see there's a bit of a, let me see if I can quickly, there's a way for us to open it up. There we go. Okay, so I've zoomed in. You can see that there's a bit of a drawdown happening here, which is started happening on the 13th of March and it's now the 14th of March. And I don't know exactly what's happening here, but there seems to be a bit of a drawdown happening at this point in time. So let's see how it plays out in the next few days. Scrolling back down, as you can see, the open trades, just going back up a little. The next thing you have to pay attention to, that's also very important, is the duration. Okay, now before I continue with the duration, once again, if you haven't done it yet, please give this video a like. And if you feel that you would like to support this channel and that it helps me to keep this channel going, please, on your screen right now, give me a super thanks just to show your appreciation. If you want to, I'd appreciate that. Okay, next, the duration. You can see the majority of the trades are closing within 1 day, just over 1 day. And then the rest of the trades are closing within about 3 days. It's a very widespread trading duration in actual fact. But the majority, just over 1 day, some of them just over 3 days. Then we've got a few trades at about 6 days. And then we've got one losing trade at 10 days, which is not bad. Okay, so what does this mean, the duration, and why should we pay attention to this? Because this means that your amount of trading days, as soon as a trade stays open for 24 hours and longer, you will start paying overnight swaps. Basically, that is a fee for your trade staying open with a broker for longer than 24 hours. So if the trade ended up in a loss, you are still going to pay that fee. If the trade ended up in a profit, you are still going to pay that fee. Either way, you're going to pay the fee. So you want to try and keep the trading days to as low as possible. Anything below 24 hours is a bonus point. Anything over it, you're going to pay overnight swaps. Okay, next, I'm not too worried about the trading history, open trades. What I do want to share with you is the monthly analytics. So based on my experience, what I've seen and what I prefer doing when I purchase a forex trading robot is I look for a robot that's got a trading history of 3 years and upwards, or preferably 5 years and upwards. And you will see that I say that within all my other forex trading review videos. What does that mean? It means that this specific forex trading robot or other forex trading robots has gone through the the volatile situations within the markets. It's gone through the ups and downs, and then you can see how it's actually been performing through difficult times, good times, over a long period of time. It just gives me more comfort, not comfort, what is the word that I'm looking for, but more, it doesn't matter. It just gives me better decision-making factors to say that, look, it's got more trading history. Sorry guys, English is my second language in actual fact. So what I want to share with you is, and how I picked up, remember I said to you that when we click on the drawdown, I could actually notice that they've lowered the drawdown. So scrolling back down, you will see, so this is how the account's been performing in 2018, 2019, 2020, 2021. Look at these results, 13%, and then it dropped down to 5554434. The year 2022, it was consistently between 6 and 4%, 2% here and there. Then the year 2022, all of them only 2%. And then you've got the year 2024, where it was a 1%, a 1%, and a 0.75%. So looking at 2023, this tells me that they've lowered the risk settings of this robot, which in actual fact, you can see it on the drawdown and these graphs right here, or these bars right here, that they have actually lowered the drawdown. So that is good. That is good news. It's not a bad thing. Having slightly lower returns is not a bad thing. Rather have lower returns, consistent returns over a long period of time, and you will see that you will basically outperform almost any other investment out there. Now, I'm no licensed broker or financial advisor. I've got no licenses to give any financial advice. As per my disclaimer previously in this video, I'm just sharing with you based on my history, my opinion, things that I've noticed within my career of about 9 years. Now, what do we need to talk about as well? Like I said, very important is forex trading VPS services. So how can you get hold of it? The first link in the description below this video will bring you over to this page. Like I shared with you, head over to the forex page. Once on the forex page, or actually we have to go back to the forex page because we have to scroll down to where it says Forex VPS services, which is this one right here. Click the learn more button. Now, at the time of me shooting this video, I've got 3 VPS services listed for you. No one is better than the other one. I'm just sharing with you some of the good ones out there. You can literally do your own research based on Scala hosting, FX Open VPS service, or AccuWeb hosting, and you can then determine which one is best for you. So what is a VPS service, and why do I recommend having a VPS service? So VPS service stands for virtual private server. What that means is you're basically renting server space to install your MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5 platform, and then you attach your robot and you start trading. So why use a VPS service? Firstly, it's got an uptime, a running time of about 99.99%. If they do schedule maintenance, they will let you know in advance to say that, listen, we are scheduling maintenance. You can then go ahead, close all your trades, close down your MetaTrader, let them do their maintenance, and you can set everything up again and continue with the trading. So VPS services has got a very, very consistent internet connection, and the service are also very, very consistent. So what that means and how does it affect your trading? If you just use your normal laptop or your normal PC, and you, for instance, have fiber and you use fiber, at any point in time, if there's an internet interruption or internet connection problem, there's a laptop or a PC interruption, that your laptop or your PC is going through some performance issues or updates, etc., etc. At the time of your robot, where it needed to take a trade or close a trade or take a profit or exit a trade, whatever it needs to do, and at that point in time, if there was an interruption and your robot did not know what to do, it will either you can end up losing all of your money overnight in one trade. You can end up losing a lot of money, or you can end up making a lot of money, of which making that huge amount of profit in one trade is not sustainable, because forex trading robots uses a lot of calculations, a lot of indicators and factors that comes into play in order to basically make up a forex trading robot. And if there was an interruption, it will end up with that forex trading robot not knowing what to do at that point in time. And that's why I recommend Forex VPS services. Okay, so going back one page, I'm going to share with you a forex trading broker that I've been using personally since the year 2015. I'm also still looking at, and I know I've mentioned it within previous videos, that I am still looking into other forex trading brokers, but at the time of me shooting this video, I can share a trusted forex trading broker that I have been using, and I still use them till this day, since the year 2015, and this is FX Open. You're more than welcome to check them out when you click the Access Now button. So that's it, guys. In the description below this video, you can click the first link, or if you want to head over directly to Waka Waka EA, you can click the second link, and then I will actually also share this MyFxbook account link, this one right here, in the description below this video, and you can actually come click on that link and head over directly to Waka Waka EA should you want to do that. Once again, thank you for your time. I appreciate you. Give this video a thumbs up. If you want to support this channel with a super thanks, you're more than welcome to do so. I'd appreciate it. Thank you for watching this video. May you watching this video have a blessed, wonderful, happy, loving, healthy, wealthy, financially successful life going forward. Stay tuned, and I will see you in my next video. Enjoy.